Hello and welcome back. Today we have this Maths Olympiad problem. If A is equal to 2021 cube minus 2019 cube, then we have to find the value of square root of A minus 2 divided by 6. So let's get started and find the solution. If we take 2021 as x and 2019 as y, then x cube minus y cube, which is equal to x minus y times x square plus xy plus y square, which is an algebra identity. So we are going to write this in the form of this identity. X minus y mean 2021 minus 2019, x square 2021 square plus 2021 times 2019 plus y square mean 2019 square. Bracket. This is difficult to solve, so we are going to substitute some values. Let t is equal to 2020. If t is equal to 2020, then 2021 will be equal to t plus 1. Similarly, 2019 will be equal to t minus 1. So putting these values in the given equation, 2021 is t plus 1 minus 2019 is t minus 1, t plus 1 square plus t plus 1 times t minus 1 plus t minus 1 square, which is equal to A is equal to t plus 1, and here the sign will be multiplied. If we will open the bracket, minus t plus 1, and this t plus 1 whole square is equal to t square plus 2t plus 1, and multiplying these two, t and t square plus minus minus 1 square plus t minus 1 whole square is equal to t square minus 2t plus 1. We can see that this negative t and positive t cancel out. 1 and 1 2 times t square plus 2t plus 1 plus t square, and this 1 square is 1 again, plus t square minus 2t plus 1. Here we are going to cancel out this positive 1 and negative 1. Positive 2t, negative 2t, we are left with 1, 2 and 3. 2 times 3t square plus 1. So A is equal to, multiplying this 2 by each term, we get A is equal to 6t square plus 2. But we have to find the value of square root of A minus 2 divided by 6. So we are going to put the value of A, which is equal to 6t square plus 2, and this negative 2 divided by 6 plus and minus 2 cancel out. 6t square divided by 6, 6 and 6 cancel out. Left with t square, here square and root cancel out, which is equal to t only. And we know that the value of t is equal to 2020. It is the final answer which is required in this question. I hope you like this solution. If so, please thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.